Everybody, and welcome to She Shaves with your host Jill. This is going to be a short video, but this being Veterans Day, I want to honor all veterans, past and present. I personally served in the United States Marine Corps, and that was during the Vietnam War. My father served in the Army and during the World War, and he also was stationed in the Philippines. So to all of us vets out there, past and present, thank you for your service and for giving what you did for your country. I will tell you that my dad is interned at the National Cemetery out here in Florida. And if you've never attended a military funeral, it was the most touching thing that ever happened to me in my life, with the Army Honor Guard out there and the playing of taps and the presenting me the flag. Those of us that were there, there wasn't a dry eye. He served proudly, and I served proudly, and I'm sure all of you vets out there should be honored. Semper Fi to my fellow Marines. So, I had a special mail call today, and today is Monday, a holiday, and you don't normally get mail on a Sunday, right? So I had an inkling of what it was, but I wasn't sure. So I started to open it up, and I thought to myself, well, what if it's what I think it is, and I don't want to ruin the surprise. Does that make any sense? I want to do an unboxing on video. So I hope I'm right, and let's get to it. There's my Amazon box. And let me grab my scissors. Right. I so hope it is what I think it's going to be. Oh my God, it is. I had a funny feeling it was going to be this, because it was supposed to be on a 2-day shipping, but guess what I got? I thought it wasn't going to come until tomorrow, but some of us have received it, and it's our Gillette Heritage Collection. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to open this. Okay. Oh, it's got bubble wrap inside also, which is cool. Oh my. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. My Gillette Heritage razor came in. Nice leather case. Very nice. I love that case. It's a throwback. I have other authentic cases like that from my vintage Gillette razors. And inside it has... oh, this is interesting. What King Gillette said. I continued in the path where wise ones feared to tread, and that is the reason and the only reason why there is Gillette razor today. And that was by King C. Gillette, 1918. And there are instructions inside, how to assemble and how to use it. But I got my set today. It's a twist to open. I won't be doing a shave with it today. But it comes with 5 Gillette Platinum blades. And let me try to pull this out. Alright. Here is the handle. Very short handle. This has got to be only a 3-inch handle, I think. The knurling on it is great. And here is the head on it. Safety bar, twist to open. Or, I'm sorry, not twist to open. But isn't that a beauty? Knurling is great. The machining on it is great. And I can't wait to use it. So that is my little unboxing of my Gillette Heritage razor. So there's going to be a lot of reviews coming from YouTubers, and I will probably do mine tomorrow or the next day. Probably the next day. So with that, again, thank you to all the veterans out there, past and present. And although you don't salute NCOs, I will give all of us veterans a salute. Love you. God and country.